Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number is defined by a sequence of multiplication. The numbers that need to be multiplied start from 1 up to n. Okay, so we define a function to do this operation, def factorial. Inside parentheses, we write a parameter. The limit that the factorial will be calculated. In this case, we can write number. Okay. Inside the body of the function, we create a variable. We can call it result, and assigned the initial value of 1. Inside of a for loop, we write the iteration variable in range. The range start at 1 and end in number plus 1. Okay. For each iteration, we update the result variable. It's very easy. Result multiplied. This is the composite assignment operator. For each iteration, as we said, we need to update the result variable. The number that will be used to multiply result is I, the iteration variable. Finally, we return the content of that variable, result. Okay, we can text this function using here a print statement called the factorial, open parentheses. For example, the factorial of pi will be 120. Execute, and that is the value that we get, 120. Okay, another number. I will copy this and paste in the next line here. I need to paste the content. Okay, I will write the entire expression. Factorial of 7. Execute, and we get 5040. We notice that this function, the factorial function, increase very rapidly. Okay,